Now children, here in this video I am going to explain you some important terms related to the current electricity. The first term is the current density, very important term. According to current density, it is denoted by capital J sign or small j sign. At a point in a conductor is defined as a amount of current flowing per unit area of the conductor around that point, provided the area is held in a direction normal to the current. Means it is defined at a particular point in a conductor, and by taking that point we will consider a cross sectional area of the conductor. So if this is a cross sectional area of the conductor, now it should be placed normal to the direction of the current. So if this is the direction of current, so this area will be held at a normal to the direction of current. So in that condition, if it is normal to the direction of current, what is the direction of area vector of this cross sectional area? Along the direction of current. So current density is basically the ratio, according to definition, it is the current flowing per unit area. Current flowing per unit area. Current Q by T upon A. Now if the current I is not flowing normally through a cross sectional area A. Now if the area is held at a certain angle from the direction of the current, so theta is the angle between the direction of the current and the area vector. अगर हम इसको थोड़ा तिरछा कर दें तो इसका एरिया वेक्टर की डायरेक्शन जो होगी वो इस डायरेक्शन में ना होकर के डायरेक्शन हो जाएगी एट एन एंगल ऑफ थीटा फ्रॉम द डायरेक्शन ऑफ आई. नाउ इन दैट कंडीशन ए हैज़ टू component. One is the horizontal component, this is in the direction, okay, and this is the horizontal component, or you can say the normal component of the area vector along the direction of A, and that is an is equal to a cos theta. तो ये डायरेक्शन होगी an is equal to a cos theta की. तो इस केस में जो इस एरिया वेक्टर का कंपोनेंट करंट की डायरेक्शन में होगा उसको हम कंसीडर करेंगे, एंड दैट इज an इज इक्वल टू a cos थीटा. सो करंट डेंसिटी J इज इक्वल टू I अपॉन an इज इक्वल टू I अपॉन a cos थीटा. ओके, सो फ्रॉम हियर इफ यू विल टेक द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, I कैन बी रिटन एज, बाय टेकिंग द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन I विल बी इक्वल टू J a cos थीटा. So I is equal to J cos theta, and I is a scalar quantity and cos theta is cos theta comes here. So I is a dot product of the two vector quantity, and what are these? One is the current density, another is the area vector. So J dot A is the formula of the current in terms of the current density, and this shows that it is a scalar quantity, but the current density is a vector quantity, and its direction is the direction of motion of the positive charge. जिस डायरेक्शन में पॉजिटिव चार्ज फ्लो करेगा किसी भी सर्किट में या किसी भी कंडक्टर में, वही डायरेक्शन करंट डेंसिटी की डायरेक्शन होगी.